In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm going to explain how to record deposits, whether we have different types of deposits, for example, from customers when we receive deposits from customers and we sold out some goods to them on cash or whether on credit and receive payments after. So how we will record them and our QuickBook record. So how we will make deposits for it and how we will record owner contributions when owner bring money to business for office operations. So how we will record it in QuickBooks Desktop, and as well if we have any Joe, so how we will record the money that donor gave us for daily for services, for providing services. So here you can see record deposits on homepage, or from banking you can also make deposits. So before recording deposits, we are going to company financial and balance sheet study. We have here undeposited funds, and I am going to deposit that fund. So click on record deposits, and here you can see the undeposited fund. Click on it and then click on OK, and here you can select the account to which you are going to deposit this amount, and here you can see receive from the name of customer, and here you can see from account, from which account you receive this money, and here you can write for example cash uh, deposit deposit deposit. And here you can choose payment method, for example cash, and here you can see the amount that we are going to deposit to our account. If you are going to cash back goods to from this amount, so you can choose an account for it, and here you can write the memo, and here you can write the amount. So click on save and close, and again I'm going to check my financial report that whether we have undeposited fund or not. So our undeposited fund are clear and zero from here. And if you received money from the owner, so how we will record it? So click on record deposits, and here you can choose the account to which you are going to deposit this fund. And here, for example, I created account by the name of Usman Khan, who is the owner of this company, and here you can choose from which account you receive this money. For example, owner contribution, and here you can write receive cash from owner for office operations, and here you can select the method of payment, and here you can write the amount which you received from the donor and click on save and close. If you receive money from the donor, for example, you are providing services to donor and you have an NGO, how you will record. Click on make deposits, and here you can choose the account, and from here you can choose the donor with job. Please not select the donor. For example, if you select just the donor, so you will never understand that for which project we should expense this money, or for which project we receive this money. So we should click on job, so the donor name and job will be there, and from which account here you can, for example, choose services, that instead of receiving this amount we providing services, and here you can write cash receive from from donor for providing services. Services. And here you can select the receive payment method, for example cash, and here you can write the amount and then click on save includes.